Hi, we're gonna do a little unboxing video. I bought a USB hub. I guess everybody has one. This one is on, and I bought it at Walmart for like $17, something like that. Okay, so it has powered USB 3.0 hub with four USB 3.0 ports. Um, 6-foot adapter cable? What? 1.8 meters. No way there's some big long cable with it. Okay, I must have read that wrong. 5 gigabyte GBPS super speed data transfers. Flexible connect cable. Plug and play. The basics. Plug it in, and our powered hub provides all the extra connections you'll need. Okay, so I need this because I bought one of these, an external hard drive. And my mouse is plugged in, my microphone is plugged in, and the camera is plugged in. And that uses up my three USB ports. And then I have this, I have the white one, which is like a mini port, which I have my card reader thing on. So, it's all taped up. Okay, I didn't know it was gonna be all taped up. The second one, I untape it. Okay, so I took all the tape off. Kind of ripped the box doing it. Holy smokes. Okay, it's got two little boxes. Don't know what's in the boxes. We'll find out. Okay, this one's the hub. It's got a power supply. Why the hell does it got a power supply? What? Okay, I'm really confused. I didn't know it had to have power. Look, it's got a power supply. What the hell? What's in the box? One USB hub port, one AC adapter. Well, let's open this. Okay, now I'm all confused. I thought it just powered itself. I thought the computer just powered up. No, it's got a plug-in thing right there, see? What the hell is this? Okay. Okay, I totally blown my mind now. I thought you just plugged it in and it plugged in. I didn't know I had to have power to it. Okay, let's try something. Okay, this is what it came with. Freaking me out. Okay, just a minute now. Now I need to buy an extension cord. Because all my plugins are full. Okay, so this is what I did. I plugged it in, and that's just my mouse. And I don't know if I can show you on the screen. I can't show you. But my mouse is currently working, and the power supply is not plugged in. So somebody in the comments tell me why I need power. Um, because I have no idea, but it works, see? So if I were to plug my mic in, would I need the power? Um, I have no idea why I have a power supply. Okay, well, that was just unboxing. I can't really rate it. I'm not going to rate it. It works on the mouse. Um, I don't know what this is for. For really powerful things? Oh, somebody's gonna have to tell me everything. Okay, this is the end of my video. I'm gonna have to go on YouTube and find out what the plug-in thing is for. Like, like if I plug in the hard drive, like if I plug the hard drive in, is it gonna need power? I don't know. Good questions, eh? Okay, well, I have more questions than I started with. This is the on dot, ONN dot, um, and it works. I got it at Walmart for cheap. Why does it have a power supply? Okay, bye. Have a nice day.